So like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing YouTube clone. So this is our YouTube 2.0 clone which we are building, and I will be showing you what the things are included in this amazing YouTube 2.0 clone. So you can see, like I've telling you in the starting, like this is the YouTube which is the original like looking. You can see it is just like original looking. So we are containing all the things like we are getting in the original YouTube clone. We are just getting this menu here. From this you can see, from this menu you will be getting your sidebar menus like home, explore, subscription, originals, and many other like we are getting on original YouTube. Then at the right, if I move, we are getting a YouTube logo which is looking awesome like we are getting in real YouTube. Then at the center you will be getting your search box like we are getting in original YouTube here. Then at the right we are again getting the search icon here which is looking awesome. Then the microphone icon, like if your search bar is not working or anything like that, if you want to use microphone by searching anything, you can just do that. Then after this we are just getting a create video option here, you can see. Then we are just getting these all items, and these are the YouTube apps icon, like if you want to open any other app on YouTube. Then these are the notification bells, like if you have subscribed or hit notification bell of any channel, so you will be getting the notification like they have uploaded the video, or any other notification like if you have your own channel, so you will be getting the notification like anybody comments on your channel or anybody subscribe on your channel like this. Then at the right again we are just getting a profile pic, like if you are having your channel or if you have Gmail address in which you have put your profile pic, so you will be getting it at the right. Then down we are getting all the videos like recommended videos of the YouTube here we are getting. So these are the channel profiles and the channel names down. Then here you can write your own channel name and own profile pic if you want to write. Then these are the thumbnails of the video with the time written. You can see there are many videos I have put. So you can put any of the things like I have put in Mr. V, CS Dojo, many other things, and many other videos with the different thumbnails. You can see this. So these are the things I was just using, and I will be just changing, and I will be doing some of the change also, like I will be changing this profile pic or this one or anything like this I will be doing, and I'll be telling you like you can also do these same changes like I am doing. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this amazing YouTube 2.0 clone. This video will be really amazing, and I hope you will be enjoying, because this video will be really different from the others which we have built, and I hope you will be enjoying all these things like we are doing. So remember to see this, and if you want to learn more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. So now just we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing YouTube 2.0, and how to just use these languages like React.js and many other different languages to build this amazing YouTube 2.0. Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IVOL Designing Developer. Like previously, we have just done many of the things in Next.js, and in Next.js 13 we have also built many of the React.js clone, and I hope you all enjoying that all things which we have done yet. We have previously built Twitter clone, Netflix clone, Spotify clone. We have also built many of the other clones like Facebook. Today we are building another clone, but today we are also using React.js. Like in previous project we were using React.js. Today I will be telling you how to build an amazing YouTube 2.0 clone using React.js. We will be including many of the other languages also to build this amazing YouTube clone. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this amazing YouTube 2.0 clone, and we will be just making it from start to end, and I will be telling you what are the things included in this amazing YouTube clone. It is the YouTube clone which is like the original one, and I have also shown you in the demo how it was looking. So I hope you understand and you enjoy the demo which I have shown you, and also you will be enjoying this video also. So remember to see this video start to end if you want to learn how to build this YouTube clone. And if you want to see more videos like that, so you can just subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things, and I hope you'll be enjoying all these things. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing YouTube 2.0 clone using many different languages. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be building an amazing YouTube 2.0 clone, and we will be using Next.js to build this amazing clone. So we are also including many of the other languages like server side. I'll be telling you what the languages is that. So now we'll be starting to build our YouTube 2.0 clone using Next.js. So for building this here, I will be opening my VS Code. So now you can see I've opened, and you can also see in my previous videos I was just using this text editor to build many of the projects here. Now I will be opening my folder through my desktop. This is the folder of YouTube 2.0 clone with Next.js, and now when you've opened this, I will be moving to my main file here. Then I will be just copying the starting code from here, and I want to check till end nothing is included in this or not. So I will be moving down, so you can see nothing is just good. So here I will be erasing all this stuff from here, then only pasting the starting code. Then you have to move down, paste this, save this file. Then I will be writing YouTube 2.0. Then press Ctrl B to close the side panel here. Now I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser. But before that, I want to just do one thing else. I will be moving in this. Then you have to move in this, erase this. Then move in this, erase this. Then here also same thing. Save, save, and save. Then close these all. Press Ctrl B here. So here I will be pressing Control B. Now here you have to open it in your default Google Chrome browser. So here it is. This is YouTube 2.0 clone folder and this is our browser. You can see this is totally empty. We will be doing it side by side here. Coding side should be bigger. So I will be making coding side bigger and all the things are smaller like these interface side. So here we have to move under this body tag here. So here I will be now moving down after this body tag. Right here div class. Then I will be writing here nav bar. Then I will be moving down. Right here div class left nav. Then I will be moving down, or you can say left second like this. Then I will be moving right here image source, which should be menu bar slash. Then I will be writing hamburger dash menu dot svg. Right here class. Then I will be writing ham menu. Then when you written this, here I will be writing image. Then I will be writing menu dash bar slash. Then I will be writing YouTube logo dot svg. Right here class, which should be YouTube logo. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag. Right here div class. Then I will be writing here mid second like this. Then right here input type should be search like this. Then I will be writing class search bar. Then I will be writing this. Right here placeholder is equals to search. So here I will be writing like this. Then when you've written this, I will be moving down, and then after moving right here button, and in class I will be writing search btn. Then you have to move down, right here image menu bar. Then I will be writing slash. Then you have to write here search dot svg. Then right here class, and in class I will be writing here search icon. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here button, and after writing this button tag, here I will be writing class. In class I will be writing mic btn. Then right here image, in source I will be writing menu bar slash. Right here voice search dot icon svg. Right here class mic icon. Then here you have to move down, right here div class. Then I will be writing here right second. Save this, reload. So you can see we are getting all these icons here like we have put. Now when you are getting these all things, here I will be just doing one thing else, like I will be moving down, right here image menu dash bar. So here I will be writing menu dash bar slash. Then I will be writing upload dot svg. Then right here class, which should be create. Then right here title, which should be create. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down after this tag, right here image. Then I will be writing menu bar slash. Then I will be writing YouTube apps dot svg. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be now writing here class. Then in class I will be writing YouTube apps. Then when you've written this, right here title, which should be YouTube. So here I will be writing YouTube apps like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag, right here div class. Then I will be writing here notif post like this. Then I'll be writing here image source, which should be menu bar slash. Then I'll be writing notification dot svg. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving, right here class notifications. Then I will be now just moving here, right here title, which should be notifications like this. Then when you've written this, I will be now moving down after this tag, right here div class count. Then when you've written this, I'll be writing 3, right here image source menu bar. Then I will be writing slash my channel 1.jpg. So here I will be writing this, or you can say my channel dot jpg. So when you've written this thing, just I will be now moving forward, right here class my channel like this. Right here title is equals to photo. Save this. Then here I will be reloading. Now when you're getting these all things, you can see now we are just getting a profile pic also. Here you can put any of the other profile pic, but I am putting this one. Then here when you've just done that, I will be moving down after this thing, right here div class. Then after writing this div class, I will be writing sidebar. Then I will be moving down, right here div class site. Then right here id side 1. Then I will be moving down, right here image, right sidebar slash, and then right here home.svg. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving. After moving here, I will be writing home tag. So here I will be writing, then right here div class n is equals to side, right here image. In image I will be writing sidebar slash, then I will be writing explore.svg. Then here I will be now just moving forward, move down right here explore like this, right here div, and then here I'll be writing slide, or you can say side like this. Then right here image side dash bar slash, and then here I will be writing subscription.svg. Then right here subscriptions like this, then S should be capital here. Then I will be moving down again, right here div class side, then right here image, right here sidebar like this slash, then here I will be writing originals.svg. Then I will be moving down right here originals like this, then right here div, and then when you've written this, here I will be writing side, then I will be writing here image sidebar slash, then I will be writing here a tag which should be like YouTube music. So here I will be now just writing here YouTube music.svg. Then I will be writing here YouTube, then I will be writing here music like this. Then right here div class side, then I will be moving down, right here image side dash bar, then I'll be writing slash library.svg. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing library, then you have to move down, here I'll be writing div, and then right here class which should be home page. And then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class, right here with preview like this thing. Then I will be writing div class, here I will be writing time post like this. Save this thing, then reload. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting all this logos and the text written after this logos, or you can say underneath this. Now when you're getting these all things, here I will be writing image, then I will be writing class which should be thumbnail like this. These were the thumbnails of videos. Then here I will be writing source which should be thumbnails, then I will be writing thumbnail1.web. Then here you have to move down after this, right here div class time, then I will be writing here 1420. You can write any of the other time also if you want to write. Right here div class preview grid. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class, then here I will be writing channel logo dash div. Then you have to move down, right here image, in source I will be writing channels, so here I will be writing channel slash, so you can say channels logo, then I will be writing here slash channel, then I will be writing channel dash 1 dot, then here I will be writing jpeg. So here I will be moving, then when you've written this, here I will be now writing channels, then right here logo like this slash, then you have to write like this slash, then right here channel 1.jpg, or you can say like this channel dash 1.jpg. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving forward, right here class channel logo, then you have to move down, right here div class, right here vid info means video info, then right here p class, right here vid title means video title, then I will be now just writing talking, title should be same, so here I'll be writing talking tag and AI, then here I'll be writing with Google CEO, then here I'll be writing Sundar Pichai like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving, right here div class, right here with stats, then I will be writing here, I will be writing my name here like this, then I will be now just doing it like this, right here p tag class, here I will be writing with author means video author, like 3.4 million views like this, then I will be writing dash, and then you have to now write a dot, which is the special dot. We are only getting this dot only in YouTube videos, so here I will be doing one thing, I will be moving here in this while, then here we have to get the dot on the YouTube, so here I will be now just moving here, and I want to get a dot here, so I will be moving down, this was the dot which we needed, so just you have to copy this dot and then the paste here, here I'll be writing 6 months ago, so you can set any of the time, here I am setting like 6 months ago. Save this, reload. Now when you will be reloading, you can see we are getting the thumbnail of the video, profile pic and text with the channel name and the views and the, you can say, videos, like how months or weeks ago it is. Then when you're getting this, here I will be moving down after this, right here div class width preview like this. Then you have to move down after this thing. Then when you've written this, here again I will be writing class, then right here time pose, then right here image, and then right here class thumbnail like this. Then when you've written this in source, you have to move right here thumbnails, then right here thumbnail 2. So this is thumbnail 2 dot web. Then when you've written this, here I will be now moving down after this tag, right here div class time, you can set here 822. Then right here div class preview grid. Then I will be moving right here div class, then I will be writing channel logo div, means channel logo div, which is the short form I am writing. Here you have to write channels logo slash, then I will be writing channel 2 like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing class channel logo like this. Then here I will be moving down after this tag, right here div class, right here video info, then write p tag, then right here class video title. Then I'll be writing here try not to laugh like this. So here I will be writing challenge like this. Then right here you can write hashtag 9. Then write p tag class, and in class I will be writing width stat, means video stat. Then here you have to write again I will be writing my name here. So here I will be now just writing 2. Now when you've written this, here I'll be now just doing the change. Here I am writing the channel name, but in the channel name I am writing my name and I am just writing the number after that. So here I'll be writing video author, then I will be writing 19 million views like this. Then here I will be pasting the copy thing, then I'll be writing 4 years ago. Then you have to just move down, right here div class. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing width preview like this. Now when you've written this, I will be writing div class, and in class I'll be writing time pose. Then I will be moving right here image class, which should be thumbnail like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing thumbnails, then I will be writing here thumbnail 3 dot web. Then when you've written this, here you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now just moving down after this tag, right here div class time, then I will be writing here 9:13. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving right here div class, right here preview grid. Then I will be moving down, right here div class, then I will be writing chan logo div. Then I will be moving right here image. In source I will be writing channels logo, then I will be writing slash channel 3 dot jpeg. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing class channel logo like this. Then right here div class vid info, means video info. Then here you have to move down, right here p tag class with title. Then I will be writing here crazy. Then here you have to write crazy TikToks taken moments. Then when you've written this, before disaster like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing p tag, right here vid stats. Then I will be writing here vid stat only. Here also there at the top we have written stats, not stat. Now everything is good. Now when you are getting this, here I will be moving, then right here again I will be writing my name like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing 3. If I just show you, we have written 2 now. So I will be moving right here div class, then I will be writing here a tag which should be like with author. Then I will be now moving right here 12 million views like this. Then paste the link which you have copied. Then here I will be writing 1 year ago. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here div class wait preview like this. Then when you've written this, move down, right here div control Z. So here I will be now writing div class, right here time pose again. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing image. Then I will be writing class thumbnail like this. Then here when you've written this, I will be moving in the source, right here control Z. Then right here thumbnails like this. Then here I will be writing thumbnail 4 dot web. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving right here class, which should be control Z. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, right here div class time. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be now writing the time here, which will be 22:09. Then here I will be writing div class preview grid. Then I will be writing here div class, and then after writing this class I will be writing here chain logo div. Then I will be moving right here image. In source I will be now just writing a tag which will be like channels logo. Then here I will be writing slash channel 4.jpg. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving right here class channel logo. Then save this. Here you have to reload. Now you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Then when you're getting this, here I will be now just moving in this tab again. So you can see we have just moved in this. Then when you just move in this tag, here I will be writing div class. Then I will be writing vid info, means video info. Then I will be writing here p tag. Right here class which should be vid title, video title I will be writing here. Then you have to write here the simplest. Then here I will be writing the simplest like this. Right here math problem, and then I'll be writing here no one can solve dash. Then here I will be writing collates like this. Then right here conjecture. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing p tag class video. Then here I will be writing stat, and then here I will be writing my name like this and writing here 4. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing p tag with class. Right here with author, means video author. Then right here 18 million views. Right here paste that thing which you have copied. Then right here 4 months ago. Here I'll be writing this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class. Then I will be writing vid preview like this. Then I will be writing here div class time post. Then I will be writing image. Then I will be now writing class which should be thumbnail like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving right here thumbnails. Then here I will be writing thumbnail 5 dot web. Now here I want to check we have written the classes here. Okay, so here I will be moving. So here we have just written the classes. Now when you've written this thing, also here you have to now just do one thing, move down after this tag. Then after moving down, here I will be now just taking this tag right here, control Z. Then right here div class time like this. Then in time I will be writing here a tag like this. And now you can see we have just written this. Then after writing this, here I will be now just writing time post. Then you have to move down right here image, control Z. Then after just writing this, here I will be only writing time which should be 11. Then right here 17 like this. Here you have to move down. After this right here div class preview grid like this. Then I will be moving right here div class and right here chain logo div like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag. Right here image source which should be channels logo, and then I'll be writing slash channel 5 here. Then after this, here I will be moving forward right here chain logo. Then I will be writing div class right here vid info like this. Right here p tag. Then right here class which should be vid title. Then here when you've written this, I'll be writing cadence. Then I'll be writing algorithm. So here when you've written this, here I'll be moving right here to maximum like this. Right here some subdivided. Then I will be writing here problem. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving like this, and then here I'll be writing class vid stat. Then I will be writing here the name like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving right here p tag. Here I'll be writing class vid author. Then I will be now just writing 519k views, and then right here paste this right here 5 years ago. Then when you've written this thing, just I will be moving after the 3 divs like this. Right here div class vid. Then I'll be writing here preview. Right div class. Then right here time post. Right here image. Then I will be writing class which should be thumbnail like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving right here thumbnails. Then I will be writing thumbnail 6. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving forward. Right here a tag which will be like div class time like this. Then I will be moving, and here you have to write 1959. Right here div class, right here preview grid. Then I will be now moving down, right here div class, and here I will be writing chain logo div. Then I will be moving right here image source, which should be channels logo. Then I will be writing slash channel 6 dot jpeg. Now right here class chain logo like this. Then I will be now moving down after this tag, right here div class width dash info. Then I will be writing here div class width title. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing anything you can. Then I'll be writing fit in the, then I'll be writing here circle like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing I will pay for. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing ptag class stat like this. Then here I will be now writing my name again. Then I'll be writing here fifth because it is fifth video. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing vid author means video author. Here I'll be writing 141 million views. Right here paste, write 1 year ago like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now saving this thing. Then here I will be reloading. Now if I reload and show you, you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Then when you are getting this, here I will be moving down after the 3 divs. Right here div class width preview. Then I will be writing here div class time post like this. Then right here image. Then after this I'll be writing class thumbnail. Then here you have to write thumbnail. Then here I will be writing 7.web. Then I will be writing div class time, in which I will be writing 10:13. Then you have to write here div class preview grid. Then right here div class. Then right here chain logo div. Then I will be moving down, right here image channels logo slash. Then here I will be writing 7.jpeg. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing class, right here channel logo. Then I will be now moving right here div class vid info like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing class vid. Then I'll be writing here title. Here you have to write why planes. Then I will be writing don't fly. Here I will be writing over with like this. Then here I will be writing p tag, right here div class stat. Then here I will be writing again my name, right here 6. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class, right here with author. Then I will be writing 6.6 million views. Paste that. Then here I will be writing 1 year ago. Then here I will be moving right here div class right with preview like this. Then right here div class time post. Then I will be writing here image, and in image I will be now just moving down, and then here I will be writing first of all class, which should be thumbnail. Then here I will be now just writing here thumbnail slash. Then here I will be writing thumbnail 8.where. Then when you've written these all things, here I will be writing div class time. Then in time I will be writing 7:12. Then here you have to move down, right here div class. Then right here preview grid. Then I will be moving right here div class chain logo dash div. Then here I will be now moving down, right here image, right here channels. So here I will be writing channels logo slash channel 8.jpg. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing class chain logo. Then I will be now moving down, right here div class vid info means video info like this. Now you can see we have just written this video info. When you've written this, here I will be writing class with title. Then I will be writing here inside the words. So here I'll be writing inside the words biggest. Then I'll be writing passenger plane like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, and here I will be writing p tag class stat. Then again I will be writing my name here like 6. Then you have to move down, right here p tag class, right here author like this. Then you have to just do one thing here, just right here vid author means video author like this. Now when you've written this, I'll be writing 3.7, control Z, right here 3.7 million, like this. Then here I'll be writing views. Now when you written this, here you have to now just do one thing, paste it right here 10 months ago, and you can see we have just written this. Then here I will be writing div class right here, a tag which should be like with preview. Save this thing and then reload. Now if I show you, you can see we have just written these all stuff. Now when you've written this, here I will be now moving down after this with preview, right here class time post again. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing image. Then after this class which should be thumbnail. Then you have to move forward again. Here I will be writing thumbnail 9 this time, so this is the 9.web. Then here when you've written this, I will be moving right here div class time. Then here I will be now just writing 1317. Then you have to just write here div class preview grid, like this. Then I will be moving right here div. Then here I will be writing class channel logo, and then I'll be writing here div. Here I will be now just writing here source, and then right here channels logo, then right here channel 9. So this is the 9.jpg. Then right here class channel logo, like this. Then right here div class right here vid info. Then I will be moving right here p tag class vid info, like this. Then I will be now just moving center. Then here you have to now write title, like this. Then here I will be now writing the secret, and here I will be writing like this, the secret to. Then here I will be writing super human. Then I will be writing strength, like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing p tag. So here I will be now writing p tag class with stack. Then I will be now just writing, then here I will be writing at right here p tag with author, like this. Then here I will be now writing 20 million views, pasted right here 3 year ago. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class with preview. Then when you've written this, I will be writing div class time post. Then right here image. Then before this, here I will be writing thumbnail. Then here I will be writing thumbnail, and here when you've written this, I will be writing 10, which is at the top. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class time post. Then I will be moving down, and then here I will be now just writing time here. So when you've written this, I will be now just writing 7. Then right here 53. Here when you've written this, I will be writing div class. Then right here preview grid. Then when you've written this, I'll be writing div class, and then right here channel logo div. Then I will be writing image. Then in source I'll be writing channels logo. Then here I'll be writing slash channel 10. So here I will be now writing jpeg. Then here you have to move right here class channel logo. Then here I will be now moving down right here div class vid info. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing p class with title. Then here I will be writing how the. Then here I'll be writing world's largest. Then here I'll be writing cruise ship makes 30,000. Then here I'll be writing meals every. Then here I'll be writing day. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing p tag class with stat. Then I will be now moving right here business. Then right here insider. Right here p tag class. Here I will be writing with author. Then I will be now writing 14 million, and then here you can set views. So here I will be now writing this, pasted right here 1 year ago. Then when you've written this, right here div class, then right here with preview, like this. And then when you've written this, I will be moving right here div class time post. Then I will be writing here image, and then right here class thumbnail, like this. Then right here thumbnail slash, then I will be writing thumbnail 11.web. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag. Then after just moving right here div class width, then here I will be now just moving after this tag. Then when you've written this, I will be moving down, and after moving down here, I will be now just writing a tag which will be like div time. So here I'll be pressing Ctrl Y. Then here I will be now moving forward after this thing. Then here I will be moving down right here div class time, then I will be writing here 410. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving down right here div class, then I will be writing preview grid, then I will be writing div class, then I will be writing here channel logo, then here I will be writing dash div. Then when you've written this thing, just I will be moving down right here image channels logo, then here I will be writing slash channel 11.jpg, then right here class channel logo. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing div class, and then right here vid info, then I will be writing here ptag class, then I will be writing here vid title. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing Dubai's crazy. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here under, so here I'll be now writing underwater train and other, so here I'll be writing and other things like this. Then here I will be now writing only like this, then here I'll be writing in Dubai like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing ptag class width, then here I'll be writing stat, then I will be writing destination, or you can say here I'll be raising this, I'll be writing my name here 6, so here I will be now writing 6. Then right here ptag class with author, then I will be writing 3 million views, then I will be pasting it right here 1 year ago like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div class width, then here I will be writing preview, then you have to write div class, and here I will be writing time post. Now when you've written this, here I will be now moving down, and after moving down, here I will be writing image source should be thumbnail like this, so here I will be now just writing this, then give a space right here source again, then I will be writing thumbnails like this slash. So just like I'm telling you, now if I just show you here, you can see we are just getting all this stuff here now, like we are getting this YouTube clone and we are getting our file here. Now when you are getting this, just here I will be now moving down, and after moving down here I will be now moving in this file. You can see we have just written all this stuff. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down right here div class time, then here when you've written this, here I'll be writing 4:51, this is the time which I am writing like previously we have written. Then here I will be writing preview grid, so here I will be writing preview grid like this. Move down, and here I will be writing div class, then I will be writing here channel logo div like this. Then here I will be moving down right here image in source, I will be writing channels, then here I will be writing logo slash channel 12. This one is the last thing which we want to do. So here I will be now just writing this chan dash logo, so here I will be now defining the class of chan dash logo. Now when you've written this, here I will be now moving down right here div class, right here vid info, so here I will be writing, then move down right here p tag, and after writing this p tag, here I will be writing class which should be vid title, means video title. Then here I'll be writing world would happen if you didn't. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing drink water like this. Then right here I will be now just writing my name. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing this, and then right here with stat, and then I will be now just writing here 7. So right here I will be now just writing here like this. Then you have to just move down right here div class, then I'll be writing with author like this. Then here I will be writing 12, so here I'll be writing 12 million views. Then right here dot pasted right here 5 years ago. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be saving this. Then after saving, here you have to reload. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Then when you are getting this, here we have to do one thing, like you can see we are just getting these all things, but here we are only getting the logo, here we are not getting the thing like at the top we want. So here we are not getting the like you can see the thumbnail of our web. So here I will be now moving. Then here I will be doing one thing, I will be now just writing here, then I will be writing 12.web, save, then reload. So here you can see we are just not getting the thing like we want. Then here if I write like this, save this, then you have to reload it here. and you can see we are just getting these all stuff here. Then when you're getting these all things here, I will be just moving down after this tag. Then when you've written this, here you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be now just writing this tag. So here you can see we have just written all this stuff. Here you have to don't give any of the space, then take this thing back, and you can see we are getting this. Here when you are getting these all things, here I will be doing one thing. I will be just moving to this, and you can see in source we have written this. So here I will be now writing class is equals to thumbnail, then save this, and here I will be reloading. Now you can see we are getting this. Here when you are getting, I will be just doing one thing. I will be now just changing it to 12, then save, reload. Now you can see we are getting this. Now when you are getting these all stuff, here we have to move to our file now. So here I will be moving to header file, and we have to style the header of our YouTube clone. So here I will be moving, then I will be moving to my header file. So this is my header file of the style components. Then when you are in this, I'll be writing nav dash bar, right here height, then I will be zooming in so you can just see the codes. Then I'll be writing here 50 pixel, right here display flags, then right here flags direction, then here I will be writing row. Here you have to write justify content which should be space between. Then I will be moving down, right here position, and in position I will be now just writing here fixed. Now you have to just move down, right here top 0 pixel, then right here left which should be 0 pixel, right here right which should be 0 pixel, like this. Then I will be moving down, right here height 58 pixel, then right here background color, then I will be writing here white. Here I will be writing margin bottom which should be 25 pixel, right here border bottom width which should be 1 pixel. Then I will be writing here border bottom, then I will be writing here style which should be solid. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here border bottom, then here I will be writing color DE. Then I will be writing Z index 100. Then when you written this, here I will be writing left second, then here I will be writing display flags, here I will be writing align items which should be center. So here I will be now moving, then right here center. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here dot YouTube. So simply here I'll be writing dot YouTube dash, then here I will be before that, here I'll be writing hem menu, then I will be writing height 24, then I will be writing here margin left which should be 24, then I will be writing here margin right which should be 22. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing cursor pointer. Save this, reload. Now you can see we are getting it styled from the top. Now when you are getting this, here I'll be writing YouTube dash logo, right here height which should be 20, and then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here 20 pixel, like this. Now when you are getting this thing, just here I will be moving down, and here I will be writing cursor, then right here pointer, then I will be writing dot mid second, like this. So here I will be writing dot mid sec. Then when you written this, here I will be now moving down after this tag, and after moving down, here I will be now just writing flex 1, then I will be now writing margin left which should be 60 pixel, right here display flags, then I will be writing here align items. So here I will be now just writing align items which should be center. So here I will be now just writing that. Then here I will be just moving down, right here max width 470 pixel, like this. Then here I will be writing dot search bar. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving, right here flex 1. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing height which should be 40 pixel, then I will be now writing min width 0 pixel, like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing border 1 pix solid, then I will be writing C and C. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing border top left radius, then right here 2 pixel, right here border bottom left radius, then right here 2 pixel, right here box shadow inset, then I'll be writing 0 pixel, right here 1 pixel, 2 pixel, then I will be writing here E, like this. Then right here dot search bar, then right here placeholder, like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing font size 16 pixel, right here padding left which should be 12 pixel, then right here border color, and then in border color I will be writing light blue. Save this, then you have to reload. You can see we are getting from the top, it is styling. Then I will be writing here dot search, and then here I will be writing btn. Here you have to now just write height, which should be 40 pixel. Right here width, which should be 64 pixel. Then here I will be writing border 1 pix solid. Then here I will be now just moving down. Right here cursor, which should be pointer. Then when you return this, here I will be now just moving down. After this, right here margin right 10 pixel. So here I will be now just writing this. Then right here dot search icon like this. Then here I will be writing height 24 pixel. Then when you return this, here I will be writing width 24. Then I will be writing margin top, which should be 4 pixel. Here I will be writing dot my btn. Here then I will be writing height 40 pixel. Here I will be now just writing width, which should be 40 pixel. Here I will be now just writing border radius. Now when you return this, here I will be now just writing 20 pixel. Right here border none, and then I will be writing background color. Here I will be writing f8 f8 f8. Then I will be writing here cursor pointer. Then I will be moving down. Right here dot mic icon. Then I will be writing height 24. Then right here width, which should be 24 pixel. Right here margin top 4 pixel. Save this, then reload. So you can see we are getting search and mic icon designed from the top. Then move down. Right here right second. Then here I will be writing width, which should be 220 pixel. Right here display flags. Then I will be writing justify content, which should be space evenly. Then I will be writing align items. So here I will be now just writing align items in center. Then I will be writing margin right. So here I will be now just writing margin right, which should be 10 pixel. Then right here margin left, which should be 29 pixel like this. Then when you return this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag. Then right here dot create. Right here height, which should be 26. Right here cursor pointer. Then when you return this, here I will be writing YouTube X, and here I will be writing height, which should be 26. So here I will be now writing 26 pixel. Right here cursor, then right here pointer. Now you have to move down. Right here dot notifications. Then when you return this, here I'll be writing height 26 pixel. Right here cursor, which should be pointer. Then right here dot my channel means my channel, which is the short form here, 34 pixel. Right here width 34 pixel. Then right here object fit, which should be cover. Then I will be writing border radius, which should be 17 pixel. Right here cursor pointer like this. Then you have to save, and here I will be reloading. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Then when you are getting this, here I will be writing dot notif like this. Right here post, right position relative. Then I will be writing dot count. Right here background color. Then I will be now just writing here cc00 like this. Right here position absolute. Then I will be writing here top minus 3 pixel. Then I will be writing here right minus 6 pixel. Then I will be writing here height 18 pixel. Then when you return this, here I will be moving down, and after moving down, here I will be writing width, which should be 18 pixel. So here I will be now just writing this. Then I will be writing border radius. Then here you have to write 9 pixel. Right here color white. Then I will be writing border style, which should be none. Then here I will be writing display flags. Here I will be writing justify content in center. Then here when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing, like here I will be now just writing align items, which should be center. Right here font size 10 pixel. Save this, then you have to reload. Now here you can see we are just getting it styled here now. Now when you're getting these all stuff, here I will be now just doing one thing. Now we have to style it side here. So here now we have just created this site.js. So I'll be moving in this. Then you have to now write dot site dash bar. Right here position, which should be fixed. Then right here top 57 pixel. Right here bottom, which should be 0 pixel. Right here left 0 pixel. Then I will be writing width 72 pixel. Here I will be writing background color, and then here I will be writing white. Here you have to write border right. Then here I will be writing width, which should be 1 pixel. So here I will be now just writing 1 pixel, then I will be writing border right. Then here when you've written this, here I will be writing border right style, which should be solid. Right here border right color, which should be DE. Then right here Z index, which should be 100. Then I will be moving down right here dot sidebar, right display flex. Then I will be writing flex direction, which should be column. Then you have to move down right here dot size, right here height 74 pixel. Then here you have to move right here display flex. Then I will be writing flex direction column. Then you have to write here justify content center. Then here I will be writing align items center. Then you have to move down right here font size. Then here I will be now just moving, and then right here 10 pixel. Here I will be writing font family, which should be Arial. And then right here another tag, not in this column here, I will be writing Arial Helvetica sans serif. Then when you've written this, here I will be raising this thing from here. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving, closing this tag, right here cursor pointer, right here dot side. Then here I will be writing hover. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing background color E6. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, and after moving down right here hashtag side1. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing margin top 5 pixel, right here dot side image. Then I will be writing height, which should be 24 pixel, right here width 24 pixel. Then when you've written this, here you have to now move to this file, save this, then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting all this stuff. If I show you, you can see side has style. Now we have to style the front side, so we can just see all these videos working here. So now we have to move to this file here, and when you are in this file, press Ctrl B here. So when you've written this, here I'll be writing dot, then here I'll be writing dash sidebar, then right here position fixed, then I'll be writing here top 57. And when you've written this, here I will be now just writing bottom 0 pixel, right here left, which should be 0 pixel. Then I will be now writing here width 72 pixel, like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing background color white. Now here I will be now just writing border, and then here I will be writing border, and here you have to write right radius, like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here border right width 1 pixel, then right here border right style, which should be solid, like this. Then here I will be writing border right, then I will be writing here color, which should be DE. Then here I will be writing Z index, which should be 100. Then you have to write dot sidebar again, right here display flex, then right here justify content in center. Then you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving, then here you have to erase these all stuff, because here we have to now just move in this file. Then here you have to write margin 0, and then here I will be now just writing here padding 0. Then here I will be writing body. Here you have to write font family, which should be like Arial. So here I will be writing Arial Helvetica sans serif. Then you have to write dot home page. Then I will be writing display grid. Here I will be writing grid template columns 1FR. Then here I will be writing row gap 45 pixel. So here I will be writing right here column wrap. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing column gap, like this, right here 20 pixel, right here padding left 95 pixel, right here padding top from here. Then I will be writing here 78 pixel, right here margin bottom 100 pixel. Save this, then reload. So you can see we are just getting it styled here. And now when you're getting this, here I will be moving down, right here preview grid, like this. And then here I will be writing margin top, which should be 7 pixel, right here display grid. Then I will be now writing grid template columns 50 pixel 1FR, right here column gap, which should be 10 pixel. Here I will be moving down, right here dot thumbnail. Then I will be now writing width, which should be 100%. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing dot channel logo, then right here width 36 pixel. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be writing height 36 pixel, then I will be writing here border radius 18 pixel. Then here I will be writing dot width title means video title. Here I will be writing margin top 0 pixel. Then I will be writing dot width title. Right here font family which should be Arial. Then right here line height, and in line height I will be writing 20 pixel. Right here font weight. So here I will be now just writing font weight 700. Right here font size 14 pixel. Then here I will be writing margin bottom 0 pixel. Right here dot width stat. Then I will be writing font family again. Right here Arial Helvetica sans serif. Then right here font size which should be 12 pixel. Right here color which should be 6C757D. Then right here margin top which should be 8 pixel. Right here margin bottom which should be 4 pixel. Save this, reload. Now you can see we are just getting it like this. Then you have to write dot width stat. Right here font family which should be Arial Helvetica sans serif. Then right here font size which should be 12 pixel. Right here color. So here we have written these all things. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing with author. Right here margin top which should be 4 pixel. Right here color same 6C757D. Then here I will be writing font family again same like we have written like this one. So here I will be writing Arial like this. Right here font size. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing 12 pixel. Save this, reload. Now you can see we are getting all this stuff. Here I will be moving. Then after moving here, you have to now just do one thing. Right here dot time post like this. Then I will be writing position relative. Then I will be writing dot time here. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing position absolute like this. Then I will be writing bottom 7 pixel like this, and here I will be writing right 4 pixel. Here I will be writing background color which should be black. Then I will be writing color of text should be white. Right here padding 4 pixel. Then I will be writing font size. So simply here you have to write font size 14 pixel. So here I will be now just writing this. Right here font weight 500. Then I will be writing here @media. Right here max width. Then here I will be writing 750 pixel. Here I will be writing dot home dash page. Then I will be moving down. Right here grid template columns which should be 1FR. Then I will be now just moving down. Right here media. Then right here min width, and then here I will be writing 751 pixel. Here I will be writing and. Then right here max width which should be 999 pixel. Right here dash home. Then here I will be writing page. Right here grid, and then here you have to write grid template columns 1FR. Save this, reload. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting all this stuff like I was just showing you, and now we have to style that more so we can just see that it is working. But here you can see one problem is coming, that we have made these all things, but at the right you can see one thing is bigger, one thing is smaller. So we have to solve this issue here which is coming. So for doing this, here you have to now do one thing, like here we have to move to this file, and then we have to check this is the fourth video here. So now in the fourth we are just getting some mistake here. Okay, so now when you're getting these all stuff here, in the fourth we are just getting something else, like in this and this. So here now for doing this, here I will be moving at the top, and you can see we are getting this all things. And then when you are getting this here, you can see this is the stat written here, and we are just getting video title which is looking good. Then when you're getting these all stuff here, you have to now just write stat here, and in stat we have just written these all things like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing. Here you can see we have just written all this stuff here. Then when you've written this, here we are just getting these all things here like this. Now when you're getting this, here you have to now just do one thing. We are getting all this stuff here. Then when you're getting this, here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be doing like there it is written 4, so here I'll be writing 6, because there it is written 5. Then here you have to write 7. Then here I will be again writing my name here also, so here I will be now writing, and then here I will be writing 8. Then you have to now copy this, and then here I will be moving down, paste it here. Just change should be that I will be now writing here 9 like this. Then here you have to now just write here 10. Then I will be writing here 11 like this. Then when you're getting, we have to check one number is not coming here, 6. Then this is 4, and this is also 4. The problem is that. Okay, so now we have just written this. Then here I will be writing 2, and then you have to just write here 1. Now when you've written this, here there is 1, so here we will be writing 2. Then you have to write here 3 like this, and then here I will be moving, write here 4. Then here I will be writing 5. Then here you have to write 6, and then here I will be writing 7, and then here write 8, and then move down, and here I will be writing 9. Then you have to move down again, write here 10. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing here 11. Then move down and write here 12. Now save this, reload. Now if I just show you, you can see we are getting all this stuff here, and we are just getting these all things, but now we are just getting it bigger here. So for doing this, you have to move here, and in 5 we are getting all this stuff. Like if I move to 5 here, so you can see we are just getting all this thing in 5. So here for doing this, you have to move here, just you have to now do this thing. Then here I will be moving down, and then you have to just paste it here in 6, and you can see we have just pasted in 6, 7, 8, and all the things is perfect. In 6 also, in 4 also, 4. Okay, so here I will be moving in this. Then here I will be now, just you can see we have done that. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be moving in this, and only I will be doing change is this. Here I'll be writing 6. Then here you have to now move in this, right here also 6. Then we want to do change in 4 also, so here I will be now moving here, and then after moving here you have to now just paste it. Then here I will be writing only 4, and then when you've written this, move forward, and then here also you have to write 4. Save this, then reload. Now if I show you, you can see it is perfect here. Now it is looking not good, 7 and 8. So here I will be moving in the 7th one, so this is the 7th one. Then here paste it again, same thing. Then when you just paste this, here you have to just do one thing. Here I will be now just writing another text here. So here now we have to just write here 6, you can say 7. Then here I will be now just writing here 7, then simply here also 7. Then we have to now change the problem here. So here I will be now erasing this, and now when you just written these all things, you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Then here if I reload, so here we are just getting these all things. Now when you are getting this, here I will be doing one thing. In 8 also we are getting same problem, so here I will be pasting it. Then here I will be just doing one thing else, like here I will be moving, right here 8, then right here 8, and here I will be also writing 8. Then right when you've written 7, right here 6, then there it is 5. Save, then reload. Then if I show you, you can see we are getting 5 here also, then down 5 also, so it should be 4. So I will be moving here, then here I will be writing 4. Save, then reload. So now we are just getting this stuff. You can see 4, 5, 6, 7, but in same, you can see we are getting same thing. So here I will be doing one thing. I will be now just moving to my file to check it is having this thing. So here now it is the 4th one, so here we have to move till 4th one here. So 4th one is this. So here in 4th you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving, then I will be writing here 2209. Then in this I will be writing here, like here I'll be raising this. Then I'll be writing the simplest. Then I'll be writing math problem like this, no one. Then here I'll be writing can solve like this. Now here I'll be writing dash collets. Then here I will be writing conjecture, or you can say this here I will be writing my name like this. Then when you've written this, save, and then here you have to just move after the 5. So here now after writing this 5 we have to just move on to 6. So here now we have to move on to the 6th one. So you can see we are on the 6th one now. So when you are on the 6th one here, I will be doing one thing, like I will be only changing its time. So here now when you are getting this thing, just here I will be writing 1959 like this, Control Z. It should be 11:15 like this. So here now when you've written this, you have to now just move down and change it to 1959 this time. So here I will be writing 1959. Then in the 4th also we have to check the time. So for checking the time here, it is 22:09 if I show you. Yes, it is perfect, and it is 19. So here you have to change this thing, and then we have to change this views also here in the 4th one. So here we have to just move at the top, then move on to the 4th one. Here it is. Then you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be just changing the views to 18. Then you have to write here million. Then here I will be writing 4 months. So here I will be writing 4 months ago. Then save this, and here I will be moving down after this tag. Then we have just changed it to 1959 this time. Then when you've written this, here you have to write anything. So here I will be writing anything you can fit in the circle. Then here I will be writing I will pay for. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing this thing. Then you have to just write here 141 million. Then here I will be just changing this tag to 1 year ago. So here I will be writing 1 year ago. Then you have to just do one thing, like here I will be moving in 7th also, you have to do same thing. So here I will be moving in the 7th one. Then here you have to change the time first of all. So here I will be moving, this is the time, and here I will be writing 10:13. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving in this tag, then erasing this time here and this thing. Then here I will be writing Y, Control Z, okay, Control Y. Then here you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be taking this thing at the back. Then I will be not giving space from here. Then here you have to write Y planes don't fly over Tibet like this. Then here I will be now just writing here like this. Here you have to write 6.6 million views. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving forward. Then here I will be just writing a tag which should be like 1 year ago. Then here you have to just move down after this tag. Then after moving down here, we have just written same thing here also. So now we have to do some of the changes here also. So here I will be moving right here the time which should be 7:12. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be moving forward. Then here when you've written this, I will be now just moving down after this tag, and then you have to do another thing like so. Now here if I just show you, you can see till here we have just done, and when you've written these all things, we are just getting this, and here you can see we have just written this thing, and we have just now we have to change this title also. So here I will be now erasing this. Then for changing the title, you have to give the name. So here I will be now moving at the back here also. Then here I will be now just writing inside the world's. Then here I will be writing world's biggest. Then here you have to now just write passenger like this, right here plane. Now here you have to save, and then we have just written this thing now. So when you've written this, here I will be now just moving in this right here 3.7 million. Then here you have to just write 10 months ago. So here I will be now just writing 10 months ago. Then here you have to save this. Then after saving, you can see we are getting all this stuff. Reload. Now if I reload, you can see these all things has been changed, and all the things are coming here. So here we have to just do one thing. I will be moving in this tag. Then when you've written this, here you have to just do one thing. I will be moving down after this, and you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Then when you are getting these all things, here I will be now moving down after this tag. You can see after these all things, and now when you are getting these things, just here I will be going to this file here. side one, and then when you are in this side file, here I will be moving down, write this tag, right here margin 0, right here padding 0, then here I will be writing body which should be font family, then I will be writing here Arial Helvetica sans serif, right here home dash page, then write display grid, then I will be writing grid, and then here you have to write dash template columns, then here I will be now just writing 1fr 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 1fr, then right here row gap, then here you have to write 45 pixel, right here column gap which should be 20 pixel, then right here padding left here, and then in padding left I will be writing 95 pixel, then here you have to move down, right here padding top which should be 78 pixel, right here margin bottom, then I will be now just writing 100 pixel, right here dot preview grid, so here I will be now just writing preview grid which should be margin top, then right here 7 pixel, right here display grid, then right here grid, and then I'll be writing template, and here I will be writing columns like this, then right here 50 pixel 1fr, then I will be writing here column gap which should be 10 pixel. So when you've written this, here I'll be writing dot thumbnail, right here width 100%, so here I will be writing, then I will be now just moving down, right here dot channel logo, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing width 36, so here you have to now just move, right here 36 pixel, then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here height 36 pixel, then here I'll be writing border radius which should be 18 pixel like this, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing width title which should be margin top, so here I will be writing this, and then I will be writing 0 pixel, then I will be writing dot width title, right here font family which should be Arial, then I will be writing here line height which should be 20 pixel, right here font weight 700, then write font size 14 pixel like this, then here I will be writing margin bottom 0 pixel, then I will be writing dot width stat, so here I'll be writing, then right here font family which should be Arial Helvetica sans serif, then I will be writing here font size 12 pixel, then right here color which should be 6C757D, then I will be writing margin top which should be 8 pixel, right here margin bottom which should be 4 pixel, right here dot width author, then right here margin top I'll be writing 4 pixel, right here color 6C757D, then right here font family, then here I'll be now just writing here Arial Helvetica sans serif, right here font size 12 pixel, then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here dot time pose, right here position relative, then right here dot time, right here position, so here I'll be writing absolute, then right here bottom 7 pixel, right here right 4 pixel, then when you've written this, here I will be writing background, and then here you can write background color black, right here color which should be white, then write padding 4 pixel, here I will be writing font size which should be 14 pixel, then I will be writing here font weight which should be 500, then I will be writing at the rate media, then here I will be writing max width, here I will be writing 750 pixel, and now when you've written this, here I will be moving, right here dash home page, right here grid, and then right here template columns which should be 1fr, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing at the rate media, right here min width which should be 751 pixel, and then I will be writing here max width which should be 99 pixel, right here home dash page, so here I will be now just writing this, now I will be writing grid template columns, right here 1fr, so here I will be writing 1fr, then here you have to just move down, and then here I will be saving this, here you have to reload. Now here if I just show you, you can see these are the things which we have done, and this is our amazing YouTube 2.0 clone which we have built. So this was the YouTube 2.0 clone which I want to show you, and this is the YouTube 2.0 which we have built using Next.js and many other languages, you can see, and we are just getting all the things like I was just showing you in the demo. Just I've done some of the change in this, like I've written here my name in the channel name. You can see Inshal Beg 1, Inshal Beg 2, and like this I've written all these names. So here you can also add your own name here down. You can also put your own thumbnail with the profile pic of your channel. Then at the left we are getting all the sidebar menus of the YouTube, which is having a beautiful hover effect like we are getting in original YouTube. Then we are getting this burger menu here. At the right we are getting YouTube logo, and at the center we are getting search box of the YouTube, and at the right we are getting search icon with the microphone icon, which is looking awesome. Then we are also getting this icon of create, means you can just create your video, or if you want to create any other thing you can also do. Then after this we are getting YouTube apps option. Here you can just put any of the YouTube app you want to put here. Then we are also getting this notification icon. You can see the notifications you will be getting here on your channel or on your things which you have uploaded. And then this is your profile pic of the channel you can put here. So these were the things which I want to show you, and these are the recommended videos on the home page here. So this was the amazing YouTube which we have built, and this is the amazing YouTube 2.0 clone which I want to show you. We have built using Next.js, and I hope you understand how we have built. If you have understand, enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button and also hit notification bell, from which you will be notified with all the future videos. I'll be uploading more videos like that which will be helpful for you. You can also suggest me in the comment section what things I should make using these amazing languages. You can also tell me like what like things should I make using different other languages. I'll be building that. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.